Today all about pancakes. We'll make our famous 522 recipe. What's a 522, you say? Well, it is 500 milliliters of milk, 200 grams of flour and 2 eggs. Optional, if you like to have it more sweet, you can add 4 teaspoons of sugar. We will mix this all together in one big bowl. We use the mixer for that with those nice mixing heads. Use some butter in the pan to bake. If you don't know how to flip, we will use this nice spatula, and that's about it. Let's go! So we'll add eggs and milk into the bowl. Have our mixer in hand. We'll mix this a little and then add the flour gradually so we don't get the lumps. There, so this is nicely mixed, and we will take our pan, put it on a medium fire and let the pan heat up a little bit. Then we will add the butter and start baking. The pan is on the fire. We'll let it heat for a couple minutes, and then we will put in our butter and start making pancakes. Just a scoop of butter in the pan, let it go round, and once it melted, we will add our pancakes batter. Butter melted. Let's put our first scoop. There. Now, how to know when you can flip your pancake? Well, it's on a medium-low fire, so it doesn't go too fast, but my pan is warm, so we'll look at the sides. It starts to get dry, and also you can see the edges of the pancake. You will get this little bit of discoloration, almost like something baked, and then it's ready to flip. As you can see, we have a little bit of brown on the edge, so pancake is dry. We'll just flip it over. Now we will leave it there for another 30 seconds, and then it's ready to be served. Perfect. Let's make another one. Mmm, looks delicious. I like mine with chocolate. I don't know what you prefer, but let's have a try. Mmm, 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 delicious.